Good morning, children. Last class we have discussed pollination in plant, that is self-pollination and cross-pollination. After pollination, fertilization. Okay. Through pollination, pollen grains reach stigma. Am I right? Through pollination, pollen grains reach stigma. What happens to them after this? Okay. Now, substances produced on the stigma causes the pollen grains germinate. During the germination in a tube develops from the pollen grain that carries male gametes that ultimately reaches the female gamete inside the ovary through the style. Male gamete fuses with the female gametes to form zygote. This process is known as fertilization. See, this is what is fertilization? During the See, during the germination, the tube develops from the pollen grains that carries male gametes that ultimately reach the female gamete inside the ovary through the style. Male gametes fuse with the female gamete to form zygote. This process is known as fertilization. This is plant. Okay. Mature plant produce a flower. Okay. This is stigma. This is stamen. This is stamen. See, in stamen what all present in there? In the stamen having here. What all present this? Anther. Pollen grains. Pollen grains contain the sperm nucleic. Okay. Pollen. Next pollination. Here this is female plant. This is female. Here pollen. இந்த pollen இங்க வருது. இங்க என்ன உள்ள போகுது? Here stigma is present. This is female part is present. உள்ள போகுது. உள்ள போகும்போது this style வெளியே உள்ள போகுது. Okay, this is stigma. This is style. Okay, inside the style. This is pollen tube also. This is ovary. Okay, you will have to come in. It already is there is female gamete is there. This is male gamete will come means that egg form. Egg means like that fusion zygote form ஆகுது. Okay, next the zygote fertilized egg become the embryo of seed. Next this is will changed into seeds. Again seeds will come, seed germinates to the produce plant. This is only fertilization. Can you understand? This type only life cycle of plant. See that picture, observe the picture. See, mature plant, flower, anther inside the female plant. Through the style, it form the egg other zygote. It form the seed. Again, seed produce a new plant. This is only life cycle. Okay. I read one sentence. There is a female gamete inside the ovary, small rounded structure. Ovules are present. In the ovules, female gamete is present. To know more about this, we should cut ovary of the flower in longitudinal and transverse ways. Okay. This is only longitudinal section of an ovary, transverse section of ovary. On the day you saw no that ovary in hibiscus flower, like that only. Cut the ovary flower both vertically and horizontally. You have to cut that vertically and horizontally. Observe the ovules. Compare the ovary and ovules from the different flowers or the one or more ovules. Can you see any connection between the number of ovules in the ovary and number of seeds in the fruit? Collect some fruits. Tomato, brinjal, a lady's finger, mango, peas and custard apple and observe. You can see some green pot above the brinjal and lady's finger. What are they? Compare mango, custard apple or peas, all these single fruit. But custard apple has many small pods in it, each with a seed. Mango has a single seed and a pea has many seeds. What do you understand from the observations? Listen. A green pot above the fruits of brinjal and lady's finger are chapels of flower. Okay, wow. Some brinjal and lady's finger are not in color, this green in color, because not in chapels of, there are chapels of a flower, not petal. Chapels only flower. Chapels which color? Green color, that is only. In some fertilization, chapel will not fall from the fruit and remain the persist with the fruit. After fertilization, chapels not fall down. Okay, this is chapels, not a, this is chapel. After fertilization, some plants for this is a chapel is not a fall, this also form a fruit. Okay, wow. So like that only, lady's finger and a brinjal, it's green in color. Say next, custard apple. It is made up of many fruits aggregated together. Each fruit part is thin, membranous with some granule like which is edible. Mango. Outer skin, outer skin and a middle bulbary are the edible and sweet. Innermost with the single seed. P. Fruit is not a fleshy, but forms a covering pouch of many seeds. In all above fruits, ovary, lower most swollen part of the pest develops in the fleshy fruit. Ovule present inside the ovary gets transferred to the seed. Hence, now this observation Selby lists the changes taken place in the flower after fertilization. These are collectively said to be post-fertilization change and are. Calyx sometimes persists with fruit, petals with fall off, andresia fall off, pistil remain the develop into fruit, style and stigma fall off, ovary enlarged store food materials develop into fruit, ovule present inside ovary develop into seeds. These and are post-fertilization changes are coming. So like that only, all fruits, all vegetables not the same like. Some fruits have many seeds, some fruit have single seeds. Some fruits have red in color, some fruits have green in color. Some vegetables have colorless, some fruits have, some vegetables have color. This and all, this type of changed during the fertilization. That's why fruit, vegetables different color and different shape, different seeds. Okay.